learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
祖马哥，
让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Yo, what's up, everyone? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and here comes the theme song for the Hakka TV show City Founding Pioneer, and it's titled Little Happiness, or in Hakka, Ham Suan Tiang. It's actually composed by Ling Sen Xiang, and the track is interesting because it incorporates Japanese enka and Taiwanese rock elements. Plus, it's also sung by the four main characters of the TV show, so let's take a listen.
可怜可爱做工仔伴，你我出世念小我，命亲像卫生纸，头家切了船渡线。可怜可爱做工仔伴，你我出世念小我，命亲像卫生纸。头家切了船渡线，阿爸妹阿爸爸爸，不是来牵挂，爱为什么有大病？阿爸妹阿爸爸爸，不是来牵挂。爱会快车一缕花。
喊酸甜，也就是咸酸甜，是客家电视都市开机组的主题曲，由林森祥老师量身打造，并邀请剧中的4位演员来合唱哦。歌曲呢，透过诙谐的语调，描绘劳工日常生活的酸甜苦辣，完全唱出属于工人的心声。
可怜可爱做工仔伴，你我出世念小我，命亲像卫生纸，头家切了船渡线。阿爸妹阿爸爸爸，不是来牵挂，爱为什么有大病？阿爸妹阿爸爸爸，不是来牵挂，爱会快车一缕花。
Remember, you can watch the show City Founding Pioneer or 都市开机组 on Hakka TV now. Thank you so much for listening. My name is Joseph Lin, and we will see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.